Hi everyone, and welcome you to the channel Food for Baby. Today also we are going to prepare a food with potatoes. Today let's prepare a potato roti for your babies. This can also be served as a finger food. We need potato and some vegetables. I have taken beans and carrot and thick coconut milk, wheat flour, pepper, salt as well as butter. First we need to cut vegetables into very small pieces, or you can use this way, the grater. So beans, I'm going to cut beans. Here is boiled potato. Mash it well. This suits for babies above 1 year. So now add some wheat flour to our mashed potato and mix very well while adding some coconut milk. Now you can add vegetables. Again mix well. We should prepare the texture in order to make a roti. Now add salt and pepper powder, a bit pepper powder. It depends on your consent. I add pepper powder since I have given my baby from 6 months. Okay, now the mixture is ready. We have to put it in a pan. And flatten it like this. Now you have to cook it. Cook well. Cook the both sides well. Okay. This is very easy as well as very nutritious. You can feed your baby with this in order to help baby's weight gaining. So try this also, and you can send us your comments. So thank you for watching this video.